5 Best way to make money online. Starting a blog or website. Blogging is a great way to make money online. By creating a blog or website and publishing content that is interesting and informative, you can attract a large audience and monetize your site through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Selling products on e-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify allow you to sell your own products online. You can create and sell your own unique products, such as clothing, jewelry, or handmade crafts, or you can become a reseller of other products. Online tutoring or teaching. With the rise of online learning, there is a growing demand for online tutors and teachers. You can make money by teaching or tutoring students in subjects such as math, science, or language through online platforms such as Zoom or Google Meet. Online surveys and focus groups. Many companies and market research firms are willing to pay for your opinion. You can make money by participating in online surveys and focus groups, which can be completed from the comfort of your own home. Online freelance work. The gig economy is growing, and there are many opportunities for freelancers to make money online. You can offer your skills in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more through platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.